So let's install the file we just downloaded. Let's install Java and let's install NetBeans. I simply click on the file we just downloaded. It's now here on my desktop. And after accepting that this file has administration rights to install on my machine, the installer just starts. It's showing me a screen what is installed now, and I simply click next and I choose the location where I should install the JDK, or where the installer should install the JDK, and it's okay to leave this location. I click next. I choose a location where NetBeans is installed and where NetBeans should look for the JDK. Everything is okay. I click next. I can also leave this check for updates and I click install, and that's it. The installer is installing me the NetBeans up on the top of Java. That's it. NetBeans and Java is installed and I simply can click finish. Now I see this new icon here on my screen on my desktop. I simply can double click this icon. It's a NetBeans IDE 8.2 icon here. For later versions it will be maybe different. I simply double click it and the NetBeans IDE is starting right now. And that's the start page of the NetBeans IDE, and we will continue here in the next lecture.